Today we're gonna work on setting up our first ILT program inside the Axis Learning Management System. ILT is an acronym for Instructor-Led Training, which in the context of the LMS, allows you to offer your users a way to schedule and attend live training, either on location or as a streaming virtual class. To get started with instructor-led training, we need to first head into the ILT area, where we'll be greeted with a few different launching points. The order doesn't necessarily matter, but to keep things fluid, I'm gonna start off with the instructors. While I'm in this area, I'll make a quick mention. Instructors do not need to be created every time you create a new program. The same instructor can be assigned to multiple programs, and therefore to future programs you create. When creating an instructor, we can add both a short and a detailed version of their bio, which users can pull up as needed. One of the biggest things I'd like to mention while I am here, 2 specific placeholders, the instructor's phone number and their email address. I recommend including these placeholders, thereby giving users a way to reach out to the instructor if necessary. Now that the instructor is added, we're going to return to the ILT dashboard and move into a training program. Before we go ahead and start making programs, let's talk about what a program actually is. If we think of it in college terms, Physics 2 would be considered a training program. A program is divided into different sessions. Using the same college analogy, a session would align to a college semester. So now, I'll go in and create the Physics 2 program and the sessions. Now we need to create meetings inside this spring session. A meeting is the time, date and place, and we can create multiple meetings to occur inside of a session. Let's say there will be meetings going on twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday, until July. For each meeting, I am setting the start and end times. And where these meetings are taking place. For this example, we're going to say that they're all happening online, as virtual classes. If I want to set up a physical location for this meeting, I could do so from the ILT dashboard. The final step of creating this session is to assign the instructor. Since we added instructors earlier, we do have some to choose from. Once your session is created and finalized, we want to activate it. Activating a session means that users can now enroll into it. Also, any users who signed up for alerts from the Physics 2 program will be notified that a new session is now available to sign up for. With our first session scheduled, now we're gonna go ahead and preview what a user would experience. Here we can see the upcoming sessions and view the meeting dates that each session includes. Users can also see the instructor for each session. For online virtual classes, users can click the Start button right from inside their account. Instructors have a similar interface they use to start the meeting. There's a lot more to the feature. There are various branding, configurations, and notifications you can set up from the ILT dashboard. But, for purposes of this video, we have set up an ILT program, activated a session, and our first ILT program is ready to go.